Right, so in today's video I'm going to unbox and take a close look at this carry case from Insta360, and this is for the Leica Ace Pro 2. So now let's see what we can fit inside of it. Here we go. Right, so now it's out of the box, let's take a closer look inside of the case. So straight away, everything from Insta360, especially the cases, are really robust and solid to the touch. As you can see, some cheaper cases, they don't seem as rigid around these edges. You can tell straight away by the touch that that's well made. Let's open it up and take a look at the inserts. Right, so we'll just get a little diagram inside of here of what we can fit inside these foam inserts. So as you can see on these cutouts, we've got room for a standard mount, a quick release cold shoe, a quick release mount, a couple of batteries, the mic adapter, the fast charging hub, and the camera itself, and then just in the top there some room for other accessories like batteries and chargers. So now I've just put the accessories inside of the foam inserts. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, everything fits nice and snugly inside of there, nothing's wobbling about. Now to be honest, I don't have half of these accessories which are listed for the case, but I've just made do and been versatile with the accessories I've got, so I'll just show you this. So just in the centre there we've got the Ace Pro 2, and always make sure that fits in with the lens facing up. Then we've got room for the 2 additional batteries right here. And now this is for the vertical horizontal mount, but I don't have it, but I've got the wireless mic here, and that just fits in perfectly, as you can see. Just make sure the button's not touching everything and it won't get activated. So that fits in nicely. And then just at the other side I've got the wireless mic air adapter, and that just fits in nicely as well. We've got a little 1/4" chuck key. And then just over here, this is for the fast charger, but I don't have that one. So I've just got the lens hood, and that just slots straight in there. Now that may move around, so it's up to you if you want to put it in top, but I'm just showing you what you can fit in here if you don't have what the instructions tell you to. Now as I've just said, I don't have half of those accessories which is in the instructions, but I'm just showing you the versatility here, so you can put in what you want as long as it really fits in nice and secure. Like the clamp for instance there, that's not coming out. The only 2 things which are slightly loose is the 1/4" chuck key there and the lens hood, but then again you can put those in top if you want. And then just in the top where the other accessories can go, you'll be able to put anything in here, but I've just got a charging cable, a lens cleaning cloth, and then some other accessories for the wireless microphone. But yet again, you'll be able to put whatever you want inside of this accessory case, especially in the top there. But the main 2 things which fit really secure are the batteries and the camera. So that was just a short video today, unboxing and showing you how to fit that Leica Ace Pro 2 inside of it. And like I said, it's going to be up to you what accessories you've got there. These are just for demonstration purposes. And if you're interested in buying this Insta360 carry case for the Ace Pro 2, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there it'll send you straight to the Insta360 website, where you'll be able to purchase it. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially with testing out any latest accessories for any action camera or drone. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.